Hi guys, I want to talk about today a super gem, a college, a program which is started by three of the top colleges combined together. Number one, IIM Calcutta. Number two, ISI Calcutta, ISI Kolkata, and number three is IIT Kharagpur. So these three colleges have combined together to start a program called PGDBA, Postgraduate Diploma in Business Analytics. IIM Calcutta, ISI Kolkata, and IIT Kharagpur. So when these colleges come together, three of the top brand colleges come together, you're bound to have a program which have an average salary of 26 lakhs as of last year, which is at par with IIM Ahmedabad. Yeah, slightly low than IIM Calcutta MBA program, but higher than IIM Ahmedabad, at par with IIM Ahmedabad or IIM Bangalore program. So let's look at the detail of all this program. So forms are out. Opening was April 1st. So form is out from April 1st at 4 p.m. Today started. Closing date is April 20th. So I'll put a reminder video as well. On April 20th, I will remind you as well that today is the last day. And Sunday, May 9th is going to be the exam for the course. 45% weightage is for the exam. Person interview weightage 40%. 12th marks 8% weightage, work experience 7% weightage. So 45 plus 40, 85% game is completely open. So anybody who is applying here have a very good chance to convert, provided how you perform in the interview and in the entrance test. So cutoff and everything we'll talk about as we go along. So before we go to the detail, let's look at the batch profile. So this program covers stats, mathematics, 225 hours, 264 hours of computer science and machine language, 255 hours of management education, and 6 months of internship. So it's a more inclined towards the internship program. Total batch size is only 57. Yes, only 57. 50 boys and 7 girls. 70% of the batch is from IITs, NIT, and BITS. 70% batch. 19% batch have 0 to 12 months of work ex, 19% batch 12 to 14, 36% batch have 24 to 36 months of work ex, 19% of batch 36 to 48, and look at this, 7% batch more than 48 months of work ex as well. Average 29 months of work ex. So you can see a well-defined breakup from all the side, 19, 19, 36, 19, 7. Yeah, consulting, 34% people have work ex in consulting, manufacturing 33%, 19% IT work ex, 5% banking, and 9% others. So that's the best profile of the college. Okay, now that's the main thing here. Average salary, average monthly stipend is touching here 1.25 lakh to 1.1 lakh, which is less as per MBA program, because in MBA program average stipend is touching 2 lakh. So here we are less than that. Highest in MBA is 4 to 6 lakhs, here 1.7 lakhs. ये तो कम हो गया. But if you look at the final placement, average salary offered this year is last year, not in this year, 26.31. Now, which is at par with IIM ABC का main placement, 26 लाख का package, median 24 lakh का package, and highest is 41 lakh का package. So with this kind of a average salary, this college, this program is one of the top programs. 70% PPO rate. ठीक है. Now PPO rate is the first time I'm hearing this term. It is either the number of people who got a PPO, like out of total 100 students, 70% got PPO, which is a huge number. Or second thing, this term can be PPO convert rate. Like out of 100 people who got a PPO, 70% converted the PPO. So this still dicey term. We don't know this term. What is this term all about? Otherwise, this is where I'm mainly betting on. Average salary 26.31 lakh. And these are a few companies which have come to campus. You can pause the video and check out the detail. McKinsey, all the top brands are here. Moving to the cutoff part. Now, last 2-3 years, the cutoff is changing drastically because of the paper pattern. If paper is easy, cutoff goes high. If paper become tough, cutoff goes low. Otherwise, if I take the average for the general category student, your target score should be 100 plus. या आउट ऑफ द 150 मार्क पेपर 100 प्लस स्कोर रिक्वायर्ड, 105 कभी 92 भी कट ऑफ रहा है. सो आई एम गिविंग यू अ टारगेट ऑफ 100 प्लस यू नीड मिनिमम. देन फॉर OBC and EWS your target score should be 90. For SC ST target score should be 70. SC ST PWD general category, OBC and EWS is now also introduced there. 100, 90 and 70. That's your target score in the test. Program fees for the 2-year program is 24 lakhs. Now with 24 lakh of fees and average salary of 26 lakhs, this is, trust me, one of the best colleges to go for. ROI is more than 100%. Now every good side have a sad side as well. So sad side here is you need to have a 10 plus 2 plus 4 education, or 10 plus 2 plus 5, or 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So in other words, BTech, BE, MSc, MCom all can apply. BCom, BMS cannot apply for this program. Sorry to say about this. Yeah, so they have a engineering diploma will do, then later enter into engineering program will also be eligible. Everybody need minimum 60 percentile. So BCom plus CA is also invited. BSc plus MSc is also invited. So in other words, you have to be an engineer or you have to have a master's program. Now this make me say the statement now, all those who are doing BCom, BMS, if you are taking a gap year, my advice is आप BCom के साथ साथ MCom का प्रोग्राम भी ज्वाइन कर लो, BA के साथ साथ MA का भी कोर्स कर लो साथ साथ में, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो यार, ग्रेजुएशन के 2 साल आराम से निकल जाते हैं, उस बीच में यू आर गेटिंग अ MCom का डिग्री, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ कॉलेजेस नाउ स्पेशली IITs and all are giving you weightage for they are giving you preference only if you have the master program. Plus tomorrow if you want to go abroad, it will be very very helpful. MBA में काम आए ना आए, आगे जाके बहुत काम आ सकता है, तो बैकअप के लिए आप ये अप्लाई कर दो. दैट्स माई रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन हु इज़ गोइंग फॉर BCom BBA. And ISI, I am Calcutta, IIT Kharagpur combined together program. Alright, so you decide whether you want to apply for this or not. How you feel about this program, please do comment. All the best.